Okay, there you go. So again, guys, hindi po 100% guaranteed or assurance, okay? Kahit profitable na po ang strategy, pero market lang talaga ang unpredictable. So we really don't know what happens with the market, and the market is always right. Okay, may mga black swan events, kahit ano pa kagaling ang strategy mo, at least nga 50% win rate, okay na tayo, 'di ba? So there's a 50% chance nga matalo ka ulit. So what matters is how you manage your risk and how you bounce back. So you don't need to win every trade, you just need to win consistently over time. So again, guys, losses or losing is part of the trading game. Agree? Patay po ng 100. Agree po ba kayo that losing is part of this trading game? Agree, 100, okay. Sige, so ayun guys, that's the first part of our session this evening. Okay? Recap ko lang po, nagpakilala po ako ulit as your, 'di ba, dito sa head po, dito sa community natin. I created this community for a support group sa mga newbies na katulad ko, and it's a safe space for us to learn without judgment as long as we have accountability. So yung benefits niyo po is you'll have webinars and at the same time use of our strategies, but the responsibility as well is please make this safe space for us to learn, and pa-report po kung may fraud, and always ask questions para you would learn. And lastly po, I also shared with you the disclaimer na Forex is high risk, use only capital you can afford to lose. I won't, and I'm not licensed to receive your capital. And lastly po, I am accepting and receiving commissions from the broker when you open trading accounts under my affiliate link. Okay? So that's the first part. If you are ready for the second part, patype po ng ready. Okay? Patype naman po ng ready. Ready na ako kay. Ready na kay ko. Ready na ako maminaw unsa man jud atong discussion. Ready? Okay. So ang next part, ready na kayo ko. Sige, sir. Okay, the second part is we will talk about trading toolkit, okay? So may marami po akong natatanggap na mga tanong sa chats. Paano po mag-execute ng trades sa trading platform? And if trader po kayo, the very first thing you have to learn, of course, aside from the basic concepts of trading, is how to execute trades in your trading platform. So we will learn the following in this session. Unang-una po, let's understand ano po ang MetaTrader 5. Pwede din po MetaTrader 4. It's the same thing. But as for me, kung gusto nyo po maging manual active trader, mas updated po kasi si MetaTrader 5 and mas maraming pwedeng matrade. Aside from Forex, may stocks, crypto, futures. So, mas updated po. And mas may maraming functionalities si MetaTrader 5, okay? We will also learn how to download and install the MetaTrader platform from their broker. Successfully log in to your demo trading account. Navigate the basic interface of MT5, identifying key windows, understand key account information. Okay? Let's change color. Okay. Key account information like balance, equity, margin, identify use of charting tools, time frame, and basic charting types. Execute basic market orders with stop loss and take profit levels on the platform. Monitor open trades and understand how to close them. So, eto po lahat ang i-learn natin in the next 20 minutes. Okay? So, guys, may demo account na po ba kayo? Patay po ng demo. Kung may demo account na kayo. Kasi po, kailangan natin ang demo account nyo para we can right away practice what we learned, di ba? Wala. Okay, Jay! Jay, open ka muna ng demo account, Jay, kung wala ka pa. Sige, I'll give you, time later, okay? Mas maganda po kung may demo account na kayo para we can navigate MT5 together. Okay, ready? So what is MetaTrader 5? Okay, you will be able to download it from your broker. I will show you later po kung paano. Pwede po 1,000. Gawin natin ng 1,000 yung account nyo, sir. Sa demo. Demo naman yan. Risk-free. Naaman sa TradingView. Okay. Cool. Again. So MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 is a free trading platform where you can analyze charts, place trades, and monitor your trading account. So here's the thing. Thank you so much, Kevin. O, diba? Tulungan tayo. So, here's the thing. You have a broker. So, your broker, in our example, na partner natin is DoPrime, XM, Go Markets. Okay? That's our broker. But, we trade our trading account in a trading platform. And that is the MetaTrader 5. Okay? So, MetaTrader 5 is available in mobile. Pwede po siya sa desktop. Pwede po siya sa web, pwede din po sa phone. Okay? Available po siya ng iba't ibang platforms. Okay? And sa MetaTrader 5 po, pwede tayong mag-charts, pwede tayong mag-trade, and mag-monitor ng trading account natin. Okay? It's used globally by traders for manual and automated trading. Okay? Gusto ko po sana sa inyo, you will explore MetaTrader 5. Okay? So, let's now look at the 4 basic windows ng MT5. Ito po ang mga makikita natin. We will use muna the desktop view. Okay? Kasi madali lang naman ang mobile. We will study the mobile one next week. Ngayon po, desktop muna tayo para totoong trader na tayo nga dito. Desktop na kaagad. Okay? So, una-una po, Market Watch. Ito po siya. Okay? Sa Market Watch po, top left, displays a list of currency pairs and other instruments. Kasi you can also trade other, markets sa MT5. Okay? With the real-time bid or ask prices. Okay? Ito po. Select which instruments to view or trade, open charts by right-clicking a pair, add or hide trading symbols. Okay. So, I'll teach you po paano po mag-market watch. Type nyo lang po kung anong pair dito. Tapos, right-click nyo lang po and makikita nyo na po ang chart niya. Okay? So, that's the first window. The market watch. Next. Okay. Next po is the navigator window. Okay. So the navigator window po, this is here. This one here. Okay. So navigator window, okay, this gives access to your accounts. Dito po tayo mag-log-in ng mga trading accounts natin. Pwede din po indicators, expert advisors, and scripts. Kung may mga copy trading na program po na pwede i-code, dyan po ilalagay. Okay? Pwede din po ma-switch between demo and live accounts, drag and drop indicators or EAs into your chart, and access custom tools. Okay? So, basically po, dyan lang po natin makikita ang trading account and how do we log in. Okay? You can transfer from demo to your live account. Okay? So, yan po ang navigator window. Okay, una, market watch. Next is navigator window. Third of the chart window, ang pinakagitna is this is the chart. Okay? Ang chart po is where you analyze price movement using candlestick charts, indicators, and drawing tools. Okay? Use it to apply your trading strategy. Diyan po tayo nagpaplano. Pwede po tayo mag-change ng time frames. Right-click to open trade options and add templates and tools. So later on po, titingnan natin kung paano po magpalabas ng chart sa chart window and mag-save ng template to customize it according to your preference. So that's the third basic window of the MetaTrader 5 platform. Lastly po is the toolbox. Okay? Toolbox po is the one located below. This one. Dito nyo po makikita yung profit nyo or your trades. Okay? Purpose of the toolbox or terminal is the account information. You will see the open trades, history, news. Pwede din po. Pwede mag-set ng alerts, mailbox, and journal. We'll see later on po paano ito makikita. Okay? Use it to monitor open positions and orders. You can check your balance. your equity, your margin. You can also review past trades and system messages, okay? So yung balance po is the total of your closed positions, meaning na take profit nyo na po. Yung equity po is your balance plus your open positions. It's either losing or winning. Okay? If you're winning in that trade, then your equity is higher than your balance kasi nga it is already counting kahit hindi pa na-close ang profits nyo. Okay? Margin naman po is the required capital for you to continue trading. Okay? So, again, ano po ang apat na window? Kung may makapag-chat sa GC na sa comment section, we will receive, ano ba? May prize. Sige, ano po yung apat? Yung mabilis mag-chat. Ano yung apat na window natin ni MetaTrader 5? Sige nga, before I show you the actual trading platform. Oh, di ba? Ang bilis ni Jivo. Market watch, correct. Chart window, correct. Toolbox, correct. And navigator window. Oh, Jave, congratulations. Ikaw ang pinakagwapo today. Yay! Prize po. Sige, bigyan kita ng prize. PM mo ako. Okay, congratulations. Sige, okay. Now, I'll show you. Sino yung walang demo account? Um, i-guide muna natin yung walang demo account para makapag-open screen. There. Okay. So, ito ang okay. Wait. My screen. Okay, there you go. Me too. Ano po name ng GC po? Sa MT5 po ba, ma'am, na demo? Yes. Okay. So, if you are able to register to do Prime, okay, you will see this. Uy, ang liit. 100. Okay. So, if nakapag-register na po kayo, okay, and you'll be able to log in to your Duo Prime dashboard. Ito po lalabas. Okay? So, go to the traders menu, etong left side area. Okay? And you will see here platform downloads. Kita nyo ba ito? Pa-type po ng MT5. Kung kita nyo po ang platform downloads. Pa-type po ng MT5. So, andito po siya. Click po kayo ng platform downloads. Correct, si Jave. O, diba? Bilis mag-type ni Jave, ah. And, pili lang po kayo dyan. MT5 desktop, iOS, MT5 Android, MT4 desktop. Okay? And then, i-download nyo na po yan. Yan po. Automatically, just follow the instructions. Magda-download and mag-i-install na po siya sa desktop nyo or computer. Sa wala pong demo account, eto po, open demo account. O, di ba? Ang laki. Open demo account. Open demo account lang po. Click. Select type. Pwede po MT5 demo STP. And then, the average one is to 500 USD. Pwede ang initial balance natin. You can choose from 200 to 1,000, 300, 5,000. Oh, gusto nyo ng 10,000 na kapital? Pwede. Pero ako, 1,000 mo muna tayo. Pahingi po ng do prime link. Sige, wait. Wait lang. Saan ba yung do prime link ko? Hold on. Wait a minute. Copy link. Wait lang, sir. I-type ko po sa natin, GC natin, and sa comment section natin. Okay? Ayun, do prime. Do prime. There you go. Ito, sir. Ito, sir. Okay. Ayun. Ano po name ng GC? Sir, andun na, sir. Okay. Sige. Okay. So, click lang po ng continue. Once nakapag-continue na po kayo, please take a screenshot. Okay? Ay, sorry. Continue po ulit. Continue again. And then, okay, please take a screenshot po. Okay? Kasi po, ito po ang ilalagin nyo. Yung login, yung server, yung leverage, sorry, hindi na yan kailangan. Yung password. Okay? And this is also emailed to you. So, you can also take. Ano po referral code, ma'am? No need na ng referral code. Kasi link naman ang ginamit mo. Pero actually, referral code ko is 36379. Yung last numerical data. Okay. So, once that's done, actually, pwede mo din ma-download ang trading terminal dito. Okay. So, when that is okay, automatically po, eto na po ang lalabas. Wait lang. Close muna natin itong si... short window. Okay. Okay. Sige. So, lahat po ba may demo account na? Punta na po kayo sa MT5. Oh, bumagsak na sa Euro USD ah. Patype naman po ulit ng MT5 kung andun na kayo sa MT5 platform nyo. Yes, okay. Ready na si Rodel. Oh, si Jave ulit. Punta tayo sa demo. Okay. Sige. So again, guys, welcome to the MetaTrader 5 platform. And when you are able to log in, ito po again ang actual. Wait, ba't ang liit? Maliit talaga siya, no? Tcharing! Sige. Okay. So dito po, this is the market watch. Okay, sana po nakakita nyo ang cursor ko. This is the market watch. If you want po to add, click lang po kayo. For example, ano ba? Odd NZD. Okay? So, yan. Automatically po ma-add na siya. Okay? Pwede din po. Yun. Para po ma-add siya sa market watch nyo. Okay? May details din po dyan, trading, tapos may ticks. Okay? Please explore na lang po yung market watch. Okay? If you want to open po the chart, okay, of your specific currency pair, for example, GBP USD, okay? Right-click lang po kayo and chart window. Okay. Automatically po, ito na po ang chart window niya. Okay? So, here, you can transfer po to different time frame. You can transfer to 1 minute. Ito. This is M1, M5, M15, M30. Meaning, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes. Okay? Iba't ibang time frame po. May H1, H4, D1. These are 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day. May 1 week, may month din. Okay? Depende po sa inyo. For example lang po, go tayo sa 1 hour. Okay? If you want to change the, the itsura of your chart, okay? You can change it to here, okay? Tingnan niyo po sa taas. Pwede po bar chart kung you are comfortable using bar chart. Candlestick. And ito po is the line. Okay? Line chart. Sometimes po, I use line chart kung gusto ko po tingnan po yung mga support and resistance areas kasi mas ano po siya, mas madali po siyang makita, di ba? Kasi di ba may mga sharp turns. Tadang! Yun, di ba? Line chart po ginagamit ko. But, if you want naman po na in the purpose po of our learning, we will use the candlestick na chart. Okay? If you want to change anything here, right-click lang po kayo and go to Properties. Okay? And you can now, lumabas ba? Here. Lalabas po itong Properties and may mga color-color po dyan. Kung gusto nyo po na red and green. Okay? Please explore na lang po kung anong gusto nyong makita. In my case po, I already have a saved na template. I go to Templates, Load Template, and i-load nyo lang po kung ano po yung previous nyo na nakasave, yun na po ang lalabas. Okay? And may mga may mga tools po tayo dito sa kabila. May crosshair, itong vertical, horizontal line, trend line, channel, Fibonacci, text. Okay? May mga ganyan po na pwede nyo pong i-explore. Kung gusto nyo pong lagyan ng indicators, meron din naman po. May insert lang po kayo. May indicators. Okay? May objects, for example, like Fibonacci, Elliott, shape. So, lahat po ng mga tools na kailangan nyo. Yes, sir. Sino po yung
Gatong, pagbulo ka pa?
Curious yung anak. Sige. So, explore lang po kayo sa mga tools po na pwede nyong gamitin in terms of charting. Okay? And dito po sa baba, this is your navigator. You can log in po your trading account. How do you log in your trading account? Click nyo lang po. Ito. Wait. Dito sa taas, file. And then, you can open an account. Tapos, ito po. Click yung DoTech Singapore. Next, kung wala naman po sa options dyan, click nyo lang po kung ano yung server. For example, DoTech. Lalabas na po siya. And then, click next. Tapos, open or ako to. Ito pinaka-last. Connect with an existing trade account. Log in your account, password, and then choose DoTech demo or live account. Tapos, finish. Kung correct naman po, titingnan nyo po sa, eto po dito, sa toolbox, trading toolbox, kung tama po ba. So, lalabas po ang balance, okay, your equity, and your free margin. Okay. So, kung gusto nyo po natin mag-trade, okay, pwede po kayo okay, how do you trade? Pwede po right-click, and ano ba mag-trade dito? Ito po, new trading, tapos new order. Or like what I do po, click lang po kayo ng F9. Automatically po, lalabas na siya. F9. So, you have to input po the volume, meaning yun po ang lot size, gaano po kalaki ang itatrade nyo. So, in the purpose of this exercise po, let's just use the lowest lot size, which is 0.01. Okay? Tapos, lagyan din po natin ng stop loss. For example, anong stop loss? Sample, lagyan natin ng by 134389. 134389. Tapos, take profit is, pwede siguro dito. 134965. 1349. Ako ba? 135001 na lang. Okay. So, again po, when you can choose market execution or pending order kung isa-set nyo siya. But in the sake of our activity, market execution na lang po muna. Meaning, kung ano pong presyo ngayon, yun po ang i-open niya na entry. Okay, so you put the volume again, or the lot size, your stop loss, and your take profit levels. And then, pwede po kayo mag-comment dyan kung gusto niyo po para may reminder kayo. And then, you click on sell or buy. Ay, invalid SL rate. Stop loss, buy. Dapat diri. 134384. Okay. 134379. 134379. Bye. Oh. Dapat ubos pa. Sige daw. Ubusan na pa na to eh. Sige, super ubos na lang. 134030. 134030. Bye. Your TP is less than 0.1. Ah, okay. Sorry. Ang TP di ay. Okay. 135195. 135190. 135190. Bye. Uy, dili good siya. Okay. Unsa man ni GBP USD man ni, diba? Take profit 35705. Eh. 1357. Oh. Kanang zero mong butang iguan. Ay, okay. Naunsa man ni, oy. Wala nag-i-appeal ang first na decimal. Naunsa. 1. Okay. Dala di ay. 0. Nalibat na. Oh, 1. 134. 13403. Okay. Ano 113570. Volume. Sakto man. Sell. Okay. 1135. Kaya ang price is 1 kapil. 1,213,575. 135. 135. Ha? Wala, nalibat na ko. Mubay ko. 13516 times 13516. Nya. Anya. Diri kay 13438. 13438. Invalid kahapon. Nah. Wait, SL should be 0.00, then TP is 1. Dili, uy. Invalid SL or TP. Wait lang, B. What happened? Di ba I buy here? 134714. Hmm. 134996. 134. 134. 34996. 1, 344. 34400. Napayawan ko. Nga naman to. Nalibat ko. Yun. Yun, mga guys. Nahirapan ako. Bakit kaya ganun? Hindi ko nakita ang tamang presyo. So, andito na siya sa baba. Pagod ka na ata. Pwede. So, tingnan natin sa taas. Ito. Okay. If you see dito, balance, tapos may so the symbol is GBP USD, nakabuy tayo, volume is 0.01, price 134,650, yun ang presyo na na-open yung trading, yung position natin. Tapos yung stop loss is 134,400, TP, ito 134,996, and currently, it's gaining 5. Tama ba? It's gaining 14 cents. $14. Okay. And if you can see your balance, it will also change. So the equity now is 971. So your balance is fixed because your balance is the closed profits. Tapos yung equity nyo is including the potential gains, though that it's 971.34 and it's moving, the margin, free margin, and margin level. Okay? So guys, gets nyo na ba ang MetaTrader 5 platform? If so, I'll give you 5 minutes para gawin ang itong activity. O, di ba? May practical gets na gets. Oh, thank you so much, Rodel. Wait. Advanced portion. Okay. Sige. Please do this activity, guys. I'll give you 5 minutes. I'll give you 5 minutes. Wait. Share screen. Okay. So this is your activity today. Okay, log into your demo account, explore the trading platform, find a currency pair in the market watch, open its chart, change to different time frames, place trade using the smallest size, insert hypothetical SL and TP, monitor your open trade in the trade tab, identify your balance, equity, and free margin in the terminal or toolbox window, and then, window. Try to manually close your practice trade. So, ready na kayo, guys? I give you 5 minutes. Sige, kasi may nakita ako marami nag-open ng demo account. Gawin nyo to, guys. 5 minutes lang para mag-Q&A. Para mag-Q&A na tayo. No need na. 5 minutes. Okay, go. 5 minutes na. Let's start with your 5 minutes. Ay, di makita akong timer. Okay. Ayun. 5 minutes with music. Asa to music kanina? Sige guys, please do the activity. Let's do the music. Kung tapos na kayo, you can start your questions na kayo. Ibuhatin niyo. Ginawa niyo ba yung activity na kapag explore kayo sa MetaTrader 5, pa-heart emoji naman kung tapos na and nagawa niyo para may practical application yung natutunan natin. O, di ba? Kevin Roy, good job. Leo, good job. Yes, so please explore more on the MetaTrader 5. Rodel, very good. So I'll now, so again guys, just a quick recap. Natutunan natin today is paano mag-execute ng trades. Make sure lang po na alam niyo yung mga presyo para hindi magka-problema sa TP and SL. But sa mobile phone, mas madali siya. Mas maganda lang sa desktop kasi mas malaki yung chart. Makapag-chart kayo, makapag-trading plan. But if you want to monitor and then may trabaho kayo or you're doing other things, you can do that on the mobile phone. Yun naman po gagawin natin next week. How do we trade using our mobile phones? Okay, so please ready your demo account ulit. Sige, so may questions po ba kayo? Anything po related to trading po? Pwede naman po sagutin kung kaya ko. Kung hindi naman po, tingnan natin. We'll ask somebody else and then I'll relate to you the answer. Guys, questions? Sige. Anything po? Do you have questions for me or to the session? No? Trading strategy, okay. Sige. Very good question, Jade. Sige. So, ano ba ang next natin? Actually, anong next for you? Okay? So, if ikaw na gusto nyo po, okay, you have 3 options. Okay? First option is, gusto mo lang i-take it slow. Okay? Gusto mo lang matuto muna before anything else. So, you need more information. You can join next week's webinar. So, join all our webinars next week and even our Saturday webinars. So again, our webinars are at Saturdays, 6 p.m. and Wednesdays at 8 p.m. So every Wednesday po, we will have different topics about the basics of Forex. So starting with MetaTrader 5 or our toolkit. Next week, we'll do Toolkit Mobile. And then the succeeding series po, we will talk about the currency pairs, Forex market, until we do our technical analysis. Okay? Then, if you want naman po to gusto nyo na ngayon na mag-start na kayo ng trading, pwede naman po. Okay? So, if you're ready to start trading right now, please go to my website. Okay? There's a strategy naman na you can use kahit zero knowledge kayo and newbie pa kayo. Okay? So, allow me to share that. Okay? Screen. Okay. So please go to my website. So when you click on my website po, okay, if you click this one, get my free Forex guide, I will send you po ano po ang mga trading strategies natin and how to use it. Okay? You can also sign up to live sessions, meaning I will send you the Zoom link to your email account. So may free webinars po tayo, how to retire wealthy, how investing in my future through AI. So this is the webinar about copy trading AI. So shadow technique, proven path to millions. This is our manual trading strategy and a trader's testimony as well. So you can watch all these videos. Just go to traderkaifx.com. Okay. If you want to start Forex trading right now, kahit newbie pa kayo, pwede naman po as long as you follow the instructions of the strategy. Okay? If you want an AI copy trading na ang robot na po magte-trade sa account nyo, choose lang po kayo sa, choose this one. I want to start copy trading. Okay? And it will lead you to this page. Okay? It will show you po, first of all, ano ang mga copy trading strategies that we have. Depende po on your personality and risk profile. So the very first one po is an 96 pairs. It's low. low risk, may robot na the capital required, may potential profit, and can use semi-shadow. So semi-shadow po is when you can trade alongside the robot. You can trade manually alongside the robot. Okay, so eto po, these are your options if you want to trade right now. Okay, if you want to start copy trading automated account, just follow po the steps. One is register to a broker, which is our Do Prime. Get verified, fund your account. If you click on these po, may details po dyan and video how to do it. Okay, and then may open a live trading account, request strategy, request access to the strategy, and pwede din po withdrawal steps. So you just follow the steps, you will be able to get access po to the strategy. But before that, of course, please watch the webinars. So, yun po ang pwede nyo pong gawin right now. Pwede din po, kung gusto nyo po mag-manual trading, you can click this. I want to start manual trading. This is the shadow technique. Okay? So, for the shadow technique, these are the steps as well. So, you can just follow the guide. Okay? Make sure lang po to watch the videos kung ano po ang mga strategies para may idea po kayo paano ito gawin. Okay? So you just go here. Ano lang po, please take note na please follow lang. Wag lang po kayo explore muna kasi malaking chance po kayo baka masunog ang account, especially kung wala pang basics ng Forex. Okay? So, if you want to start manual trading, register to a broker, get verified, fund your account, and then may steps din po dito. After approval, receive shadow credentials in email, download MT4 app and log in your account, join Discord and onboarding sessions. Okay, so yun po ang pwede nyong gawin right now. Otherwise po, sorry. Okay, otherwise, if hindi naman, if you need more support, you can schedule a one-on-one coaching session with me. Hindi lang po ito libre. Okay? May coaching fee na po siya. Okay? Just go to my website ulit and you go down, one-on-one coaching session, you can schedule now. Choose your available schedule. Do my best po to help you understand Forex basics, set up your trading account, and execute the trading strategy. Okay? Kung may times naman po na hindi ko po masagot ang tanong nyo, no problem po, isasoli ko po ang pera nyo. Wala po tayong pilitan. Okay? But if you really need po someone na one-on-one po talaga magturo sa inyo, kung gusto nyo may matanungan, kung is the strategy working for you or ano pang pwede nating gawin, pwede naman po. You can schedule coaching session. Okay? So, again po, it's up to you po kung ano po ang gusto nyong gawin. These are the options that you have. Please consider it and think about it kung ano po ang best option nyo for now. Okay? Sige. Now, let me ask again questions. Okay. So, for the shadow po, okay, actually, I have a recorded session of the shadow, but dito, no? Siguro. Sige, eto na lang. We will have a shadow technique na webinar para mas, ano siya, mas ma-explain ko po ng maayos. I'll schedule po siguro by June na we will have a shadow technique na parang live trading ng shadow technique. Sige, let's do that. Okay? But if you have access na already po sa free guide ko po, may ma-receive po kayo na yung Forex natin na we call this one. Yung Forex series po, ito. If you go to this Forex series po, you will see the recording video of here. Okay? Ito po ang lalabas. So, if you sign up po to the video, ito for Fast Track to Forex, okay? So, may manual strategy for newbies, watch now, and then you will be redirected to the recorded session of shadow technique. But we will do a live trading siguro in the coming webinars that we have using shadow technique para mas makita nyo po paano siya ginagamit. Okay, may instructions din po siya sa baba. Okay, so may tanong pa ba? Ito, tingnan natin. Okay, same link, ma'am. Mostly, anong trade pair nyo palagi, ma'am, yung profitable na pairs? Okay. JR, iba't ibang forex pairs kasi may iba't ibang behavior. Okay? So, it's either mean reverting or majority of the time, nag-range lang siya. Kung mag-uptrend siya, magda-downtrend siya kaagad. Okay? So, mean reverting pairs like OddCAD, Odd NZD, NZD CAD, Euro Chef, Euro GBP, USD Chef. These pairs, majority of the time, are mean reverting. Okay? Parang aakyat, bababa, aakyat, bababa. Unless may mga Forex news na red folders na nagte-trend siya. Okay? May mga trending pairs naman na majority of the time, it's uptrend or downtrend. Examples are Euro USD, GBP USD, NZD USD, USD CAD, mga major pairs. So in my case, I trade Euro USD and GBP USD kasi they are highly liquid, meaning every day there is movement. And since I am trying to become a day trader, may movement is needed, 'di ba? Dapat mag-move ang price para may profits tayo. Or kung gagalaw, mas malaki yung galaw ni price. So with Euro USD, may mga 50 to 60 pips movement siya at an average. But aabot siya sometimes ng 100 pips. Depende. Okay, so again, I usually trade Euro USD or GBP USD. Then kung mga mean reverting, OddCAD or NZD CAD or Euro GBP. What time frame po ang best for scalping? So for scalping, it's usually kasi sa pinakababa. So depende kung ano yung high. Ang alam ko, kasi nag-try din ako mag-scalping before ng mga indices. But I realized it's not for me kasi you have to decide every minute and nakaka-stress siya. Yung coach ko before, nagtitrade siya ng index. Nagsascalp siya ng index. Ang tinuro niya sa akin is 15-minute, 5-minute, and then 1-minute. So, top-down approach. You look at, may sometimes iba, may 1 hour, then 5-minute, then 1 minute. So, 1 minute siya nag-entry. Yun ang scalping. So, depende sa'yo, the bias comes from the 5-minute or the 1 hour, then you entry at the 1 minute or 2 minutes na time frame kapag scalping. For newbie, unsa nindot praktisan? Leo, pwede niyo kung gusto mo gold, para mas grabe yung movement. You can start with, Euro USD. Actually, pwede. Highly, liquid and volatile. You search mga trending na strategy. So, sige. Tinuro din ito sa akin ng coach ko. Wait, let's go to TradingView. Pero ano siya, pang swing kasi siya. Swing trading na approach. So, go to a higher time frame like daily or 4-hour time frame. Tapos, kapag nire-respect yung 20 tsaka 50, Emma. And then third touch niya, pwede ka mag-entry. Meaning, trending yung pair. This is also, wait, let me share a screen. Ay, baka medyo mahirap to. Ano na lang, RSI. Ito. Sir Leo, practicean mo Euro USD RSI. Sige, punta ka sa TradingView, sir. Tapos, sa TradingView kasi, libre lang siya. Log-in ka lang, okay? Wait, RSI. So, every time, sir, na andito siya sa baba, buy ka. Practicean mo lang siya. Every time na feeling mo na oversold na siya, pwede ka mag-buy. Pero not all the time, ha? Pero sometimes din, nakakachamba naman. So, for example, here, example dito, nasa 1 hour time frame ako, ha? O, di ba? O, pumunta siya sa, ito, kasi ang RSI kasi is Relative Strength Index. Sir Leo, ano lang ha, demo account ha, huwag kang mag-live account. Tsaka, baka masisi mo pa ako. So, you go to TradingView, tapos use your demo account lang, para practice lang, para you can use, ano ba, you can know how to execute your trades. Okay, so, every time, pupunta siya sa, eto, sa 20 na area, or eto kasi, RSI would tell you oversold or overbought. Okay? So, if oversold na siya, dito sa baba, pwede ka na mag-buy. So, for example, here, buy ka dito. O, di ba? Buy ka. Bang, 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 bang. Tapos, pag reach na siya sa other end, close ka na. Close ka dito. Di ba? How much na gain mo? Oh, 146 pips. Perfect. Tapos, for example, ulit, dito na siya ulit. Pwede din, kung nasa taas naman siya, eto, here. So, for example, here, meaning, overbought na siya. Pwede ka naman mag-sell. Tapos, i-close mo siya kapag punta siya sa baba ulit. So, you only look at the 20 or the 70 na level. So, if 20, it's oversold, mag-buy ka. Punta siya sa other end, i-close mo siya. Pwede ka mag-sell ulit kasi overbought na siya. Ganun lang. Pwede mo siyang gawin simple. Pero based sa sabi ni bbpips.com, if you do this and entirely this, walang other indicators gamitin mo, there's a 20% win rate, pero malaki ang losses. 20% lang yung win rate niya. Okay? Leo, practice lang. Best leverage, ma'am, sa newbie kahit demo account. Use 1:500 or 1:1,000. Ang leverage kasi maganda siya because kahit small account lang, small capital, parang nagte-trade ka na ng malaking capital. Yun ang leverage. So for example, 500 yung capital, let's say 100. 100 yung capital mo, $100. But your leverage is 1:1,000. So every dollar that you trade is like $1,000. Okay? Yun ang kagandahan ni leverage. On the other hand, malaki din yung losses mo kasi nga malaki din yung parang pang trade mo na capital, but binabawi naman yan sa margin. So for newbie, pwede naman 1:500 or 1:1,000 yung malaki. Ma'am, how can we join sa GC at sa community po? Tas pahingi na din po ng link ng broker niyo. Jave, kung nasa Facebook community ka na, may chat lang siya doon. Tapos, yung broker link ko po kanina, saan ba yun? Yun din po ang gamitin nyo pag open ng ito. Ito po ang broker link ko. Ay. So, if member na po kayo, nakapag-open na po kayo ng trading account, live account, tapos may strategy na kayo, pwede na din po kayo pumasok sa Traders PH na community. So, tayo po, the newbies community dito, pero kung gusto niyo po mas maraming makausap, mas may maraming experts, mas maraming traders, dun po sa Traders PH na Discord, pwede na po kayong pumasok dun. Ang spread po ni Do Prime, konti lang. Pero may ano siya, overnight fees. Especially kapag you hold the you hold the pair over, not a weekend. Parang it will, ano pa, Friday night, tapos may trade ka pa until next day. Tapos yung mga exotic pairs din, may spreads din siya. You can research about it and then they will also email you kung may change din naman. Pero so far, it is, ano naman, acceptable din yung spread. Not too much. Except lang sa gold. Yung sa Shadow, ma'am, kailan ang webinar niyo po? Sige, we'll schedule, Carlo, Shadow Technique webinar by June. I'll just schedule a webinar in our Facebook community. Salamat po sa pagsagot ng first question. How about gold po, ma'am? Applicable po ba strategy niyo sa gold? So actually, Joseph, si Shadow Technique po, may gold din siya. But not so much lang. Nag-a-appear siya like 4 times to 5 times a month. Ang Shadow Technique kasi po, just to give you a background, bibigyan po kayo ng demo account. Okay, so ilalagin niyo po yung demo account. Tapos, dun niyo po makikita kung anong ite-trade. So, for example, kung anong forex pair ite-trade, kung may gold ba. Once you have the trade idea, punta po kayo sa isang account niyo po na live na. Dun niyo po i-execute yung trade manually. So, parang kinokopya niyo si robot, pero sa ibang account, sa live account siya. So, ganun po siya. Hindi na po kayo mag-chart, automatically, bibigyan na lang po kayo ng anong ite-trade, kokopyahin. Pero mas maganda din po kung may technical analysis kayo para you can increase the lot size, you can customize it depending on your personality and risk profile. Ma'am, kung practice pa lang sa Asian session sa sila, ayaw sa Europe o New York session kay paspas na kaayo. Pwede. Okay ra na, demo ra bitaw, Carlo. Pwede sa Europe or New York. Ang Asian sometimes kasi walang galaw masyado, so baka hindi din nila makita yung actual trade. 'Di ba? As long as demo muna. Asa na makita ang fast track to forex ni mo, ma'am? So, if you like go to my website, you can get ano lang po, register here. You go to my website, tapos get my free forex guide. Ito po siya. Ito, Sir Carlo. Go to my website, traderkafx.com, tapos get my free forex guide here. Automatically po isa-send po sa email nyo yung webinars natin and how to use the strategies. Okay, guys, my friend. Any more questions? Ay, wait lang. I'll stop na pala recording.